Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In case you didn't know, I'm the Frequent Flyer, and today we're going to be doing a bike check on my 2019 Giant Rain Advance 1, but I like to call her Candy.
Go!
Let's jump right in and break down what's on my trusty steed. With a 65-degree head tube and 73-degree seat post angle, she shreds downhill and only has a slight pedal bob on the climbs. The carbon composite that the frame is made of keeps things light for such a long travel enduro crushing machine. Candy's rocking 170mm in the front with her DVO Diamond D1 fork, and in the back, 160mm Jade coil shock with a 400-pound spring. Wide Deity 825mm bars with ODI Rogue grips to keep vibrations down when descending. Super short anvil stem and matching Forge anvil saddle. 4-piston Shimano Xt Breaks for enough stopping power. Don't forget the KS Lev dropper post with 150mm of up and down. One of my favorite upgrades is my 1-up composite pedals to make sure no footers aren't happening by accident. Race face effect cranks at 170mm, a Shimano XT drivetrain with an 11x46 cassette, and an XTR derailleur. Gotta love that extra tension from the clutch. I went with the DT Swiss M1700 wheelset and instantly installed cush core to keep them in good shape. 27.5 tires keep her nimble in the air, and the Maxxis Minion DHF and DHR2 maintain grip no matter what the conditions. Last but not least, the Fiddlelock water bottle with its magnetic retention makes me smile every time I take a drink. Big concern for me with purchasing such a long bike was that it would not be any good for catching air or jumping, but one run down Hawkeye cleared that up quick. This bike really inspires confidence, and the progression I've made since purchasing Candy back in June is unbelievable. If you're on the fence about buying a Rain, I'd highly suggest it. What do you guys think about Candy? Do I need any upgrades? Let me know in the comments below. Once again, thanks for dropping in with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.